All right, we're moving on to another breaking update as the Republic has been keeping you ahead of the said conspiracy that is being hatched when it comes to the Prime Minister's security breach that was reported in Punjab last week, where there are more video evidences that is now coming to light, where the video that on your screens is shot just hours before the blockade by the man who led the protest, and he is heard calling for the blocking of the Prime Minister's convoy on the flyover, the very same flyover where the Prime Minister's cavalcade was nearly blocked for 15 to 20 minutes and were just few meters away from the proximity of where these protesters were blocking the flyover. And this is a video just hours before the Prime Minister's breach that was reported, and it is clearly being heard in the video where there is a call to block the Prime Minister's cavalcade. That only gives a sense as to these protesters knew very well the route that was being taken by the Prime Minister while he was en route Firozpur to attend a rally. He was not able to do so that day because of the blockage, and it forced him to skip that rally, make a U-turn and return to Bhatinda. Take a look at this video.
ਅੱਜ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਮੋਦੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦਾ ਮੋਦੀ ਦੀ ਰੈਲੀ ਦਾ ਵਿਰੋਧ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇਹ ਖਬਰ ਫੈਲਾਈ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਆ ਵੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨਾਲ ਸਮਝੌਤਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਸਾਰੇ ਧਰਨੇ ਚੱਕ ਲਏ ਗਏ ਆ। ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਝੂਠ ਆ, ਗਲਤ ਗੱਲ ਆ। ਉਹ ਸਿਰਫ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ ਕਮੇਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਕੁਛ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਵੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਮੋਰਚੇ ਵੇਲੇ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ, ਹਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਐਲਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ। ਸੋ ਕੋਈ ਸਮਝੌਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆਗਾ। ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਵੀਰ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਫੈਲਾ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਵੀ ਸਮਝੌਤਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਉਹ ਦੋਸਤੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਪਦੇ ਪੈਰ ਘਵਾੜਾ ਮਾਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ। ਆਪਣੇ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਫੇਲ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਚਾਲ ਆ। ਮੋਦੀ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਿਰੋਧ ਅੱਜ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਸਾਰਾ ਵਿਰੋਧ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਵਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਠੰਡਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਛਿੜਕਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਚਲਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਖਬਰਾਂ ਇਹ। ਸੋ ਕੋਈ ਸਮਝੌਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆਗਾ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਚਿਰ ਮੋਦੀ ਐਲਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾਗਾ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪਰਚੇ ਪਾਏ ਆ ਲਖੀਮਪੁਰ ਵਾਲੇ ਉਹ ਰੱਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਵਾਂ ਜਾਂ ਰੱਦ ਕਰ ਦਵੇ, ਜਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸ਼ੀਸ਼ ਮਿਸ਼ਰਾ ਵਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਬਰਖਾਸਤ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਲਾਖਾਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾਗਾ। ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਹੋਰ ਮੰਗਾਂ ਵਾ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਕੋਈ ਐਲਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾਗਾ, ਬਕਾਇਦਾ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਜਾਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾਗਾ ਉਸ ਸੰਬੰਧ 'ਚ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਚਿਰ ਕੋਈ ਸਮਝੌਤਾ ਨਹੀਂਗਾ। ਇਹ ਸਿਰਫ ਆਪਣੇ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਨੂੰ ਠੰਡਾ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਗੁੰਮਰਾਹ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਵਾ। ਕੋਈ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ। ਸਾਰੇ ਵੀਰ ਵੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਗਿਣਤੀ 'ਚ ਵਿਰੋਧ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੋ।
Just straight away going across to Amandeep at this point. Amandeep, I believe it is the same union from that Surjit Singh Phul where it is BKU Krantikari, as earlier there were videos emerging from the same individual who has said that they had information of the Prime Minister's movement on the same route where the blockade was held.
Amita, this video exposing the entire situation of the BKU Krantikari. This just because this video was shot by Baldev Singh Jeera, the person who was leading the protest on January 5 at the National Highway where Prime Minister's cavalcade was blocked. And this person belongs to Bharatiya Kisan Union Krantikari. And in fact, this video was shot in the morning, hours before Prime Minister landed in Bhatinda. And in fact, it was clearly mentioned in that video in his statement that there was no compromise happened with the Punjab government. Our schedule to protest against Prime Minister's rally is very much sustaining, and everybody should gather and protest against Prime Minister with the demands to withdraw the cases registered against Kisan Union leaders and workers at Lakhimpur Kheri, as well as other demands. This shows the entire protest was planned, and even hours before landing of Prime Minister in Bhatinda. This is how this video is exposing BKU Krantikari number 1. This video is exposing Punjab government's claim. This video is confirming the security lapses, and this video is confirming the lackadaisical attitude of Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi when he knows that no compromise happened. Kisan unions are still protesting at the highway against the Prime Minister's visit. Nothing has been happened. All the security measures has been ignored, and even Punjab police allowed these protesters to come on the highway and block the road, despite knowing that Prime Minister is going to visit Firozpur from Bhatinda. This is how it entirely unfolded. This video is a very much visible and audible evidence of the entire situation, that entire security breach has happened deliberately. It was not all of a sudden. Nothing is to surprise Punjab government and Punjab police. Certain letters has been exchanged before the Prime Minister landed in Bhatinda, even 2 days before. scheduled protest was there. Scheduled protest was still sustaining on January 5 also. Till morning, this person is inviting the people to join the protest, to participate in the protest. Despite knowing all these facts, Punjab government ignored and brushed aside all the facts and even allowed these protesters to block the national highway. And what happened?
So in a way, it just only goes on to suggest further, Amandeep, that the protesters knew very well about the Prime Minister's movement there, and it only went on to suggest just hours before he was to take that route to Firozpur, how they had planned rather when it comes to blocking that very same flyover, that he was to take his route from Bhatinda to Firozpur. Just stay on with us, Amandeep. We're just going to replay that audio video once again, and that only seems to be confirming there has been some sort of a conspiracy there as far as the Prime Minister's security breach in Punjab last week is concerned. Take a look.
ਅੱਜ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਮੋਦੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦਾ ਮੋਦੀ ਦੀ ਰੈਲੀ ਦਾ ਵਿਰੋਧ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇਹ ਖਬਰ ਫੈਲਾਈ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਆ ਵੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨਾਲ ਸਮਝੌਤਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਸਾਰੇ ਧਰਨੇ ਚੱਕ ਲਏ ਗਏ ਆ। ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਝੂਠ ਆ, ਗਲਤ ਗੱਲ ਆ। ਉਹ ਸਿਰਫ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ ਕਮੇਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਕੁਛ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਵੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਮੋਰਚੇ ਵੇਲੇ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ, ਹਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਐਲਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ। ਸੋ ਕੋਈ ਸਮਝੌਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆਗਾ। ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਵੀਰ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਫੈਲਾ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਵੀ ਸਮਝੌਤਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਉਹ ਦੋਸਤੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਪਦੇ ਪੈਰ ਘਵਾੜਾ ਮਾਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ। ਆਪਣੇ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਫੇਲ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਚਾਲ ਆ। ਮੋਦੀ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਿਰੋਧ ਅੱਜ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਸਾਰਾ ਵਿਰੋਧ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਵਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਠੰਡਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਛਿੜਕਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਚਲਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਖਬਰਾਂ ਇਹ। ਸੋ ਕੋਈ ਸਮਝੌਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆਗਾ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਚਿਰ ਮੋਦੀ ਐਲਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾਗਾ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪਰਚੇ ਪਾਏ ਆ ਲਖੀਮਪੁਰ ਵਾਲੇ ਉਹ ਰੱਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਵਾਂ ਜਾਂ ਰੱਦ ਕਰ ਦਵੇ, ਜਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸ਼ੀਸ਼ ਮਿਸ਼ਰਾ ਵਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਬਰਖਾਸਤ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਲਾਖਾਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾਗਾ। ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਹੋਰ ਮੰਗਾਂ ਵਾ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਕੋਈ ਐਲਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾਗਾ, ਬਕਾਇਦਾ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਜਾਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾਗਾ ਉਸ ਸੰਬੰਧ 'ਚ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਚਿਰ ਕੋਈ ਸਮਝੌਤਾ ਨਹੀਂਗਾ। ਇਹ ਸਿਰਫ ਆਪਣੇ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਨੂੰ ਠੰਡਾ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਗਮਰਾਹ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਵਾ। ਕੋਈ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ। ਸਾਰੇ ਵੀਰ ਵੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਗਿਣਤੀ 'ਚ ਵਿਰੋਧ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੋ।
All right, Amandeep, coming back to you on that, because we are looking at multiple videos that have been surfacing all around, when it comes to the conspiracy angle that is also being investigated. But when it comes to the blame game, and that we saw that happening in yesterday's Supreme Court hearing as well, because there is a clear attempt to actually blame and shift the blame to the forces, especially when it comes to the Prime Minister's security of what had happened on the 5th of January.
Well, Amita, Supreme Court had already constituted a team to investigate this entire matter. But the point is that every second day after Prime Minister's security breach happened, Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi releasing one after another statement claiming that don't make it political. Prime Minister was not at all insecure and fully safe in Punjab. And in fact, Prime Minister's visit to Firozpur was all of sudden change. And even he also claimed in certain statements that everything was lifted. All the protests have been managed, everything has been cleared to the Prime Minister route. But how can you ignore this video? This video is confronting each and every statement of Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi and confirming a complete failure from the side of the state government, which is responsible to provide the satisfactory security according to the rules of Blue Book and SPG Act. Everything has been ignored. The letters that were shared with Punjab government and Punjab police by SPG and Prime Minister's security clearly mentioned in point number 3 on page 12 that the NH National Highway number 5 should be very much clear and there should be no traffic halts. It was clearly mentioned in that letter that was exchanged from the side of the Prime Minister's security to Punjab police and Punjab government, and even 2 days before. But that not happened. Everything has been deliberately done. This is the result of the lackadaisical attitude and even a casual approach of Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi. His own minister received Prime Minister at Bathinda airport, and when they started through road from Bathinda to Firozpur, it will take good 97 minutes, and in fact 97 minutes are enough to inform the SPG that there is a blockade that was scheduled at 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Right. The national highway was completely blocked by the farmer unions Krantikari, but all evidence after evidence is coming on the record. Either it's document or it's videos or it's statements. But Punjab Chief Minister is continuously trying to defend his own government from this entire issue, and even inquiry will take, or the committee will take all these evidence on record and then question Punjab Chief Minister and Punjab DGP that how it happened and
so many
who
such
was
videos
the
that have
person
already
behind
surfaced. This is yet another one, and it seemingly becomes clear that the protesters there on ground had the prior information of the Prime Minister's route over that flyover on the 5th of January, while he was forced to skip his Firozpur rally and return to Bhatinda. Amandeep, for the moment, thanks very much. We'll come back to you. Let's quickly move on.